Perfect. The least common denominator, please.
X plus 8, X minus 8.
Of course. What do I need up here? What do I need up here? What do I need up here?
X minus 8, X plus 8, and 1.
Brilliant. 4 distributed to these two.
(4x minus 32).
Perfect. Minus 1 or negative 1 distributed to these two.
Now we get negative x minus 8.
Perfect. Negative 5x times 1.
Negative 5x.
That's it. Perfect. Combining like terms. Four apples minus an apple minus 5 apples.
Negative 2x.
Very good. Negative 32 minus 8.
Negative 40.
Perfect. Our best friend. This times this.
Negative 2x minus 40.
Equals this times this.
0.
Excellent. I move 40. Finally, x equals. It was negative. I moved it to the other side. It became positive.
Negative 20.
Is this on this list? Because if it is, I have to exclude it. I'll say the equation has no solutions. Is it? I have to check. Is it on this list of restrictions? No. Good. Okay, again, if you watch the videos and you work on these problems, you will become experts. Okay, moving on. The next set of problems deals with rational exponents. Let me look at the time. Yeah, I have some time. So we already talked about this. Let me refresh your memory about the rational exponents. So this is my page 6. Rational exponents. Rational exponents. Remember, the nth root of a to the mth power, the nth root of a to the mth power is the same with a m over n to power m over n. That's the fractional or rational exponent. It's a radical. So every time I see a quantity raised to a power that is a fraction, I know it can be immediately changed to a radical. And the same rules apply. So let's look at a few examples. This is a refresher for us. We already talked about it. Okay, fill in each blank, so ta ta ta. So 49 to 1/2. Let's start with the first example. 49 to 1/2. 49 to 1 over 2. I want to change it into a radical. How do I do that? What radical is power 1/2? Imani, are you with us? Will you give it a shot? What radical is power 1/2? Okay, my students are not here. Anyone remembers what the power is? What radical is power 1/2? 1/2. 1/2. What radical is that? Anyone, please? Brand, are you with us?
You said me?
Yes.
1?
There is no radical with the index 1. 1/2. What radical is this? Okay, so this is the square root of 49. 1/2. Power 1 over the index. This is the only index we don't write. Can anyone tell us what is the square root of 49?
7.
That's it. Perfect. Please remember, power 1/2 is the square root. Okay, let's take a look. So what radical will this be? A to negative n, the nth root of a, 1 over a to the nth, or the nth root of a to the nth power.
N over A.
I don't
The
see it.
last option.
So is it number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4?
2.
Of course it's number 2. Absolutely. It's the nth root of a, of course. So this is the nth root of a, just that the power is 1. Same thing. Perfect. Okay, do I have time? 1 more minute? Okay. So in simplifying 36 to 3/2. So let's do that, and then I'll stop. 36 to 3/2. What radical is this? We'll finish this and you'll have 10 minutes from that moment.
2.
So this is indeed the square root of 36 to which power?
3.
Excellent. Perfect. So now we want to simplify this. You can put it in the graphing calculator, but it doesn't always happen to get a correct an integer, right? In this case, it will. Let me explain why. Because you can take the square root of 36 and then cube the answer. So this is the same thing with the square root of 36 raised to the 3rd power. Why? Because of 3/2. 3/2 can be rewritten as 1/2 times 3. You apply the square root first, and then you cube the answer. So since this is 6, the answer is 6 to the 3rd. And 6 to the 3rd is what? 36 times 6. 216? 16. Okay, so I'll stop. I just want to show you with a graphing calculator, regardless of how you like to do it, I'll show you how I like to do it. 36 caret, and in parentheses the power 3/2. And we have to get the same answer. If we don't, something is wrong. Okay, so take your break now. 21 to 31. Oh, I didn't share. Wonderful. So let me just show this, and then so it's 36 caret parentheses 3 divided by 2, close, enter. Okay,